Should I say good morning first? Good morning, it's a Tuesday in the studio. We don't have any classes today, but that doesn't mean I don't have a ton of stuff to do. Today is my one allotted day to get a ton of throwing done. I put myself in a pinch because we have an event on Sunday and we're catering hot chocolate, and I said, you know what, we don't need the cups, we'll make our own cups. That's on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, which means I need to throw like 30 of these cups by the end of today so I can trim them. And even then, I don't know if they'll be done in time, but we're gonna try. So we had our glazing class of our 6-week course in here last night. That's the last class where they get to glaze everything. And we didn't wrap up till after 8 p.m. Ooh, that's open. So I didn't have time to clean this stuff up. Make sure they're all closed. I put underglazes on this bottom shelf. So I got a new carving tool, so I was testing it out the other day because I was making a Christmas gift for my grandma and I wanted to do sgraffito. Let me show you. So here's how they turned out. They're so stinking cute. So these are pieces that my students made in the 6-week course. We didn't have time to glaze all of them, so they're coming back Saturday to glaze these, so I'm gonna go set them in the other room. This is so good. Hot cocoa, not even hot cocoa, just cocoa, maple syrup, and frothed milk. When this table is clear, I feel like my brain can be clear. Somebody literally left my wedging table a disaster, so I have to clean it. It was me. Now before I start throwing, I have to go look at my to-do list and what I need to throw today. This is my cute little office. It's a little messy right now. Ignore that. Okay, so I have cafe mugs, trinket dishes, plates, serving platter, and this doesn't even include the 8-ounce mugs I need to make. All right, I'm gonna start wedging clay. This is a stoneware clay. So for my cafe mugs, I start with 1.5 pounds of clay. This is 1.5 pounds of clay. Then I wedge it a little bit, but I don't have to wedge it a ton because it's right out of the bag. I think I'm gonna do 6 cafe mugs. Oh, that one's perfect by itself. I didn't realize I was running so low on clay. I have this, and then one more bag and I'm out. That's not good. So the place I get clay is like an hour and a half away. It's a place in Wisconsin called Paoli Clay Company, and they make all of their clay there. So it's just a big chunk out of the day that I have to schedule. And I was really diversifying the clay I was buying, but we all tend to use this one type of clay, so I need to only buy this when I go. Okay, that's 6 of those. We'll just hope I don't mess any of them up. So my pinch cup mugs are 1.25 pounds, so I'm making a bunch of 1.25 pound balls. I've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I think I'm gonna make 20 and call it good. Last bag of stoneware. It smells like fresh mud. Perfect. Finally done wedging clay. I've got 6 cafe cups. I have 6 plates, 6 trinket dishes, and then 20 pinch cups. Oh, I forgot to do my serving platter. I'm getting one more piece of clay for that. And for that, we're doing right around 5 pounds. That helps the clay. I need one of these. Sometimes I like to have a needle tool, and then we'll grab a wire tool, and then a metal rib. I love starting with a massive piece of clay. The hardest thing out of the way first. And I really want to make sure I'm compressing the whole way. It can get a lot of air bubbles. See all these air bubbles? I'm actually going to cone it a couple more times. So I basically want to push the clay together as much as possible to pop any air bubbles that might be in the center. Now I'm gonna open it up. I wanna leave plenty of room on the bottom so I can trim a lot. Before I go any further, I'm gonna compress. And I wanna make sure it's very flat for what I'm doing. As I get to this point so it doesn't flop on me. So far so good. We're just going to flatten the middle out. Time to take her off the wheel. Open it up about 2 inches. I want a nice wide cafe mug. By the time I'm done, I want it to be 4 inches wide and 3.5 tall. So what I've got right here is 3.5 tall, but it needs to come out a little more. A little wider. And that's 3.5. I like to trim the bottom like this. She's good to go. All right, I just got so sleepy, which is my sign that it's time to eat lunch. I've got 4 cafe mugs and my serving plate thrown, so that's a okay start. So I'm gonna eat lunch and then get the rest thrown. Throw some plastic on this so it stays good for throwing. Pinch cups, trinket dishes, plates. Burn.